All right, we're back. Say hi. Hi. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been like a couple weeks since I've posted. My family was in town for the first time in 5 years since I've moved to the US, so it was kind of a big deal. I didn't get to do any video editing or filming, but we're back at it. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Logitech G Pro Wireless. I mean, you've probably already watched 100 or 200 reviews of this mouse, but this is the Give 'em Chills edition and take on this mouse. Obviously, I'm not the craziest mouse person, so I don't know like everything and everywhere. I'm an average consumer that plays video games and loves and cares about tech. This is my opinion on the Logitech G Pro Wireless. As you guys know, I've been using the Logitech G305 for the last year and a half, and I've loved that mouse. I mean, it's an incredible mouse that sells around $40 to $50, and it looks so good, functions so good, but it was time to get an upgrade, so I ended up ordering the Logitech G Pro Wireless. This mouse usually sells around $100 to $120. I was able to cop it for 91 bucks. It was just a random sale that was going on the black edition. Yes, I know, it's unfortunate. I did really want the white edition because my setup is white, but it's okay. I'll probably be using this mouse for work mostly and just use the G305 for gaming because I don't really do much gaming anymore. That's what happens when you become a dad. Without further ado, let's unbox the Logitech G Pro Wireless and check it out. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you around the channel and see you more around here. Let's go. The Logitech G Pro Wireless was extremely fun to unbox. This mouse is so light, I cannot explain to you how light it is. It took me a little bit to adjust to the size of it. It is a little bit on the bigger size, even though it's super light, so that whole combination kind of threw me off, where I had to lower my DPI when I'm gaming from 3200 to 1600. Here you can see I'm playing Valorant. Even though this mouse is really light, it still feels high quality, which is something very rare when you're working with a gaming product that is light. If you're looking to invest into something into your setup, this mouse is it. It is totally worth it. It's super comfortable and it's super light, and this mouse is incredible. I highly recommend it. That was the Logitech G Pro Wireless review. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Stay tuned. I'll be reviewing the Logitech G Pro Wireless versus the Logitech G305. Two different mice from the same company at different price points. I know it's crazy to review those against each other, but I've always wanted to make that comparison. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye. Bye. But the camera's right there, not me. I'm not the camera.